You flip the switch, nothing. The power's out, your phone's dying, and a checkpoint just appeared at the end of your street. This isn't a movie. It's what happens when the system breaks. Lockdowns, blackouts, chaos, no power, no news, no help. Are you ready for the first 72 hours of total collapse? Here's how to prepare. This isn't about doomsday fantasies, it's about the real fragility of the systems we depend on. We've seen power grids fail, supply chains snap, and civil unrest boil over with zero warning. When the lights go out, the illusion of safety vanishes. What matters is what you did to prepare. It's not about fear, it's about responsibility. We'll cover hardening your home, securing food, water, power, and communications, plus what to do when money becomes worthless. Pay attention. These skills could save your life. When the grid goes down, your home becomes a target. Hope isn't a strategy. Make your house look tough. Criminals want easy targets. Don't be one. Start with doors. Replace weak strike plates with reinforced ones and use 3-inch screws. Install a grade 1 deadbolt. Windows are weak points. Apply security film to hold glass together and consider security bars for ground floor windows. Don't forget the garage. Secure it with a defender or C-clamp. Control what people see. Blackout curtains are essential. Don't let your lights advertise your resources. Blend in. Tactical invisibility is a huge advantage. Use solar-powered motion-sensing lights around your property. They expose intruders and alert you. No fuel needed. Your home should be a layered defense system. Harden the perimeter, hide your resources, and use light as a deterrent. The goal: make your home the last place anyone wants to mess with. Don't wait. Start hardening now. Every layer you add buys you time and safety. Remember, the best defense is making your home look like more trouble than it's worth. Harden, hide, and prepare. Your sanctuary starts with smart, simple upgrades. Be the house that's left alone. Food is fuel, and you'll burn more calories than ever in a crisis. Build your stockpile on long shelf life staples. White rice, beans, lentils, oats. Store them in Mylar bags and food-grade buckets. Add variety canned meats, fish, veggies, and freeze-dried meals for when you can't cook. Don't forget morale boosters: coffee, tea, chocolate, honey, sugar. They lift spirits and are valuable for barter. Stock multivitamins to prevent deficiencies. Salt, pepper, and spices make bland food bearable and keep you healthy. Rotate your stock, first in, first out. Eat what's nearing expiration and replace it. Practice eating your preps now. Don't wait for a crisis to find out what you hate. A hot cup of coffee or a sweet treat can make all the difference. Barter items like sugar and honey become currency. Think nutrition, variety, and morale. Stock what you'll actually eat. Keep your supplies fresh and familiar. Food is survival and sanity. Prep smart, eat well, stay strong. Well, water is life. 3 days without it and you're done. When the power fails, so do the taps. Store at least 1 gallon per person per day. 2 is better. Use bottled water or fill food-grade containers. Clean and rotate your supply every 6 to 12 months. Stored water runs out. You need ways to find and purify more. Get a high-quality filter, Sawyer, Life Straw, or a gravity-fed Berkey. Have backups, purification tablets, unscented bleach, and always the ability to boil water. Know your local sources, rivers, lakes, pools, even your water heater. Rainwater harvesting is a game changer. Set up a tarp and barrel. Treat all water before drinking. Rotate, filter, purify, and know where to find more. Water is your most critical prep. Don't gamble with it. Secure it, store it, and have multiple ways to make it safe. When the taps run dry, you'll be ready. Water security is survival. Make it your top priority. When the grid's down, it's not just lights, it's your fridge, medical devices, and communication. Flashlights and candles aren't enough. You need a real power plan. Start with battery banks for phones, radios, and headlamps. Keep them charged. Level up with a portable solar generator and panels. Brands like Jackery and EcoFlow are silent, fume-free, and recharge with sunlight. Do a power audit. List your essential devices, calculate watt hours, and size your system accordingly. Use efficient devices, LED lights, small fridges, and low-wattage gear. Practice with your setup before you need it. Test solar panels, run your devices, and learn your system's limits. Don't forget cables and adapters. The less power you use, the longer you last. Manage your energy like your life depends on it, because it might. Sustainable power is freedom. Prepare, practice, and stay connected. Don't wait for the blackout to learn your system. Power up, stay ready. Hot meals and warmth are survival essentials. Your electric stove and central heat won't work. Have off-grid options. Propane camping stoves are easy and reliable. Stock extra canisters. When propane runs out, use alcohol stoves or rocket stoves. Burn twigs, cook efficiently, and stay stealthy. For heat, never use outdoor grills inside carbon monoxide kills. Use indoor rated heaters like Mr. Heater Buddy, and always have a carbon monoxide detector. Don't heat the whole house. Isolate one small room, seal it off, and concentrate your family's warmth. Layer up. Thermal underwear, wool socks, sleeping bags, blankets, and insulation are your best friends. Fireplaces and wood stoves work, but smoke draws attention. Sometimes quiet solutions are best. Practice safe heating and cooking now. Know your gear, know your fuels. A hot meal in a warm room can save your life. Prep for comfort and safety. Stay fed, stay warm, stay alive. Off-grid skills are survival skills. When the grid fails, your phone and internet are gone. You're in an information vacuum. A hand-crank emergency radio is essential. AM, FM, and NOAA weather bands keep you informed. No batteries needed, just crank and listen. For family coordination, get quality GMRS two-way radios. They reach farther than toy walkies and keep you connected. For real range, learn ham radio. With a license, you can talk citywide or farther, no cell towers needed. Print out important contacts and addresses. Don't rely on your phone's memory. Set rally points and check-in times for your family. Consider mesh networking apps for local, off-grid texting. Gear is useless without a plan. Test your comms before you need them. Stay informed, stay connected. Communication is power, don't be left in the dark. When the power's out, cards and apps are useless. Cash is king, keep small bills hidden at home. In early chaos, you might still buy essentials, but nobody will make change for 100. As the crisis drags on, cash loses value, barter takes over. Stockpile high-demand items, coffee, alcohol, chocolate, batteries, hygiene products, and first aid. These become currency when supplies run out. Reduce your liabilities now, get out of debt, and live lean. Every dollar saved is a dollar for preps. Financial resilience is mindset and preparation. Don't wait for the system to crash. Act now. Cash, barter goods, and a lean lifestyle are your safety net. Store value you can hold in your hand. Be ready for a financial reset. When help isn't coming, you're your own first responder. Defense starts with layers and accessibility. Don't keep all your tools locked away. Non-lethal first high-lumen flashlights in every room blind and disorient intruders. Pepper gel is effective and safer indoors. Stash it where you can reach it fast. If you own firearms, follow the law and use quick access safes. Train regularly. Muscle memory saves lives. Train your family code words, safe rooms, escape routes, and roles. Practice in the dark, under stress. A plan on paper isn't enough. Drill until it's automatic. Your family is your team. Everyone needs to know the plan. Readiness is more than gear. It's training and teamwork. Be prepared for anything, anywhere in your home. Security is a family affair. The lone wolf myth is deadly. In a real crisis, community is your shield. You can't defend your home 24/7 alone. Build a network of trusted neighbors now. Start small. Talk about storms, gardening, self-reliance. Find the doers, not the dependents. Look for practical skills, medics, mechanics, veterans, radio operators. Form a mutual assistance group. No need for formality, just a shared commitment to help each other. Set up check-in systems, colored cloths in windows, common radio channels. Assign roles, who's the medic, who has the generator, who handles comms. Share resources and responsibilities, everyone gets stronger. Organize a neighborhood watch with rotating shifts. A coordinated block is a hard target. Looters move on. Community is your force multiplier. Start building trust and plans today. Alone, you're vulnerable. Together, you're resilient. Don't wait. Connect now. Gear and plans mean nothing if you haven't tested them. Run a full blackout drill, shut off your power for 24 hours, and live on your preps. No cheating, no internet, no lights. Just you, your family, and your plan. Cook light and power your essentials. Test your comms, see what fails. Write down every problem, missing gear, scared kids, slow filters. These aren't failures, they're lessons. Afterward, debrief. What worked, what didn't? Refine your plan. Repeat the drill go for 48 or 72 hours. Add new challenges. Practice turns theory into skill and fear into confidence. Drills reveal the cracks before the real crisis does. Make it a regular habit. Learn, adapt, and improve. The only way to be ready is to live your plan. Test yourself now. Don't wait for the real thing. This isn't paranoia, it's practical. The systems we trust are fragile. Prepping isn't about the end of the world, it's about weathering any storm. Knowledge is easy, execution is hard. Action is what separates survivors from statistics. Don't wait for disaster, start now. Prepping is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, practicing, and improving. Run the drills, lock in your preps. If you got value from this, subscribe and stay ahead of the chaos. What's the one thing you still need for a long-term blackout? Let us know below.